Hi dear friends, it's Niharika Gupta. Welcome to my channel Future Synonym. This is your reading for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus in Capricorn for the week 8th of November to 14th of November 2021. Let's find out what tarot message you have got for this week as far as your money situation, your finances, job, business goes, and your important relationship goes, right? So let's find out what do you have in these areas, how your money flow will be, how your heart's energy will be. Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, 8th to 14th November. 8th to 14th November. Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, 8th to 14th November. Money. Rest. Leaving the things. Let the universe judge what is right and what is wrong for you. Do not mingle with people. Teamwork is hindered for you in this week in the work sector. Right? Let me just find out and I'll read then. Important relationship, Capricorn. 8th November to 14th November. Nice. Wow. So Capricorn this week is advising you to just leave behind what is not in your favor. You think what you think is not in your favor is really something which is not in your favor, and you are advised to just leave everything for the sake of your own betterment, your own mental peace. You need mental peace at this point of time. You have I'm sorry, you have done a lot, and now you it is time for you to just take a step back, relax, rest for a while, and then you can be prepared for your batteries will be charged and you will be prepared to take the next step in some time. But this week you are required to take some rest and let the universe decide for you what it wants to decide for you. There will be some major big decisions for you coming your way this week, and whether you like it or not, it will be you know some decisions you may not like, and but all these decisions are judged by the universe. They are being served to you by the universe. So please do not make any hasty decisions. Do not overburden yourself this week. Do not try to rush into anything. And some I also see that some people and some situations will just change for you. Some people will come into your life. They may come into your life, and some people may leave your life. So, whatever is happening, just let it happen this week. Do not be involved. Do not be involved too much into the happenings, and because you need mental peace at this point of time, you do not need to be just involved in all the nitty gritty of the things, and just be just stay calm and you shall be fine, and let what universe is doing, let it do. So it may be depending upon your karma and depending upon your personal charts and everything. So it can be in your favor. So this judgment card is neither negative nor positive. It all depends upon it depends upon actually on many things: your karma, your situation, your present situation, your past. So many things are there which are playing their role here. So I do not see any problem coming to you. The only thing is, if you are in job situation or if you are in a teamwork, if you are doing some teamwork, so your teammates may create some problem for you. They may not listen to you. They may not cooperate with you. They may not treat you like a team member. So please do not worry about that. Again, this theme will be, you need not worry about it and let it happen. Just let the things happen the way they are happening right now. Right? Your money flow will all be well. And if you are not treating, just one thing I want to say, if you are not treating anyone equally on equal platform, if you please do not insult anybody or do not offend anybody this week, right? Otherwise, there can be some trouble for you. In your love situation, Capricorn, I'm seeing a very positive turn of events. You will be all charismatic, friendly. Your people will be attracted to you if you are looking for making new friends. This week is certainly a very good week for that, right? So I think universe is asking you to just hold your breath in your career sector and please focus on your love relationship area, because that is this is the time for this energy to take over this one, right? This should take over this one. So you will all be charismatic and you will all be, very much in tune with yourself, and your guidance is this, that you have to focus on that one wish, right? Your wish is going to be fulfilled. Your guidance, your wish will be guiding you towards a more serene and calmer place and more meaningful place. I'm seeing with this combination, right? You will be passionate and you will be like the real influencer in the group. If you are in a group situation, you will be the real influencer there. Your feminine energies will be very much heightened at this point of time, and you will be uh, seen as a nurturer, as a keeper of the group, as the, the sole personality of the group. So this is a very nice thing I'm seeing, and you just have to be focused on your wish. Whatever your wish is, your wish will be the guiding compass for you this week. So just focus on what is happening to you, right? Just follow that steps, and you shall be guided in the correct direction, in the fine direction which you actually are meant to tread, right? And your problem area is you may be too much looking towards the future part. So that is not advised at this point of time, and you may be, if you are not, see, this is a card of communication. This is she is the businesswoman. Actually, she is like a very charismatic personality. She is the master of communication, right? And this is also the card of communication, message exchange, right? So your message exchange is blocked, but your theme will be this. So your intuition, I see this, your feminine, there will be more of, there will be less of words and more of action that will make you, that will let you express yourself this week in your love area. If you want to attract a soulmate, if you want to attract new friends, right? If you want to just iron out some problems in your married life, everything will be done with true action, not just words. Because your words, your messages are blocked. Your blocked means this energy is somewhat blocked for you, and you will not be able to express yourself better if you use words more, right? So I hope you got my message. So do let me know how it resonated with your personal situation in the comment section. I'll be waiting for that, and I'll speak to you. This is what I've got for you this week. I'll speak to you in the next video next week. Till then, stay safe, take very good care of yourself, be happy, and bye bye.